This one simple process helped me make over $4 million with long form Faceless YouTube channel. And now AI can automate nearly 90% of the work for us. This is real YouTube revenue dashboard. It's one of mine. Also, the last 6 years, Faceless channel like this one, channel where I never show my face, have generated over $700,000 in revenue. But here's what nobody in the Faceless YouTube space is actually telling you. Most of the people teaching this make more money from teaching it than actually doing it. Meanwhile, my student and I are nearly making millions with simple long form Faceless channels like Lloyd, who scaled to over $100,000 a month at 20-year-old with his Faceless channel portfolio. And here's the part that actually matters for you. The device itself is broken. The standard playbook, copy what's viral, generate a script with AI in 10 minutes, upload and repeat, produce channel that dies in 90 days. Not because algorithm is cruel, because right now YouTube is cracking down on those channels and it see them as basically AI slop. Now, one fabricated claim in your video, also one comment section that catch it, and your credibility is also gone. YouTube system increasingly bury exactly that kind of content, and audience have gotten very good at smelling it. The channel that survived 8 years, 9 years survived for one reason: accuracy become the product, and the sloppiness of everyone else become the moat. That's the system I'm going to build in front of you right now. My name is Ford, and over 6 years ago, before I built my first successful Faceless channel, I spent over a year testing and failing at almost every online business model I can get my hand into. Fast forward to today, 6 years running multiple 6-7 figure Faceless channel, feature on New York Weekly and CEO Weekly, and many more. I still run them today and help over hundreds of my own students building long form Faceless YouTube channel. This isn't a retired guy selling an old map. The screenshot you're seeing are current. I'm not just going to show you a wall of student testimonial, but my own dashboard also, and a repeatable production system I use every single week. Here's the crazy thing: you don't need to be an expert, and you won't ever have to personally edit or create a video yourself. That's why no prior experience is required, because I'm going to show you the exact system in this video that my top students are using to build profitable Faceless long form YouTube channel in less than 7 days, setting up simple workflow that run on autopilot, and I'm going to show you how to scale that to 2, 10, or even 20,000 a month. And here's what makes this video different. I'm basically gonna walk through the entire system live in front of you, the exact AI system I use to make over $4 million from YouTube. Step 1, blue ocean cloning. We pick your niche with evidence. The standard pick your passion or something they'll say is copy random Faceless channel. Those doesn't really work. The hidden strategy that I've used in the last 6 years is what I call blue ocean cloning, that most people aren't aware of. Most people ask GPT or some AI to give them a niche, or just go to YouTube and watch his top 10 videos and the top niche to get into. Now, if you're watching a random video that's telling you what niche to get into, then most likely it's too late. Blue ocean cloning is a strategy that involves taking a proven successful format from one niche and applying it entirely to a different one that haven't seen that format yet. For example, this channel called Private Economy got over 10 million views and getting it over 100,000 subs within the first 30 days of starting. And 2 months later, someone took the exact same format and created a fitness channel with it and got over 100,000 sub within less than 6 months, also making that channel becoming the first channel in the fitness space with that format. Another example is this channel called NFL Stories. They did this video called "This Video Will Change the Way You See Patrick Mahomes Forever," and this channel called Made by Rafa came and took the exact same format and brought it into a Minecraft channel. 2 weeks later, titling their video, "This Video Will Change How You Play Minecraft Forever," which ended up becoming one of the most viral video on that channel. So browse into YouTube and find some niches and brainstorm how you can replicate some viral format within some channels you find within another popular demanded niche, just like previous channel took an economy format and brought it into a health. I'll drop below this video a list of 50 plus niches that you guys can actually get inspired by completely for free. Now, step 2, find the outlier. Now that you picked the niche that your channel will be about, we have to come up with the video idea of our first couple of videos that we're going to upload. An outlier on YouTube is a video that dramatically overperform compared to what normal for the channel that posted. It's not about big view count in absolute term, it's about the gap between a video performance and the channel baseline. The math is simple. Take a channel typical viewer per video, then compare any single video against that average. If a channel averaged 20,000 100,000 views and one video hit 260,000, that's a 13-time outlier. So using tools like vidIQ and even looking at other niches, finding video that have the highest outlier, and using tools like Claude, you can paste that topic into it and ask it how can you format it into your niche. Use this prompt and feed into Claude with the outlier topic and watch it give you a video topic within your niche, and actually use this tool called GetScript to actually write the script for me within less than under a couple seconds. Now, an outlier is a proof of demand, not luck. When a small channel with 3,500 subscribers get 2.7 million views on one video, the algorithm doesn't boost it because of the channel authority. It blew it because the idea itself resonates. That make outlier the single best reach or signal on YouTube right now. They isolate the power of concept, title, and thumbnail from the power of the channel. Tools like vidIQ 1 of 10 literally quantify this. They'll show you a multiplier score on videos so you can filter for anything performing 5x, 10x, or even 50x above channel average. As a rule of thumb, most people treat anything above 3 to 5x as genuine outlier worth studying, and anything 10x plus as a strong signal the concept itself is viral. Now, step 3, video generation. Now that we pick our niche, found video topic, we're going to actually create the video leveraging AI. Now, for the most part, I take my script and go to 11 Lab and paste the full script on 11 Lab Studio, creating an audio project. Of course, selecting a voiceover that sounds very humane and not robotic. Now, what I do is take that narration and I go to this website called VidRush. The thing I like about this software compared to most that is out there, that is video that's going to make for you, have more work put into them, which make it seem very human edited to get monetized long-term with YouTube, compared to what most people are doing that's getting their channel deleted by YouTube. Now, when you log into VidRush and you upload the audio, it's going to ask you to select a theme between crime, history, modern, minimalistic, or standard. For this example, in most, you will mainly select modern, then thumbnail. You can hire someone to do your thumbnail, but with VidRush, you can select from the reference they give you and you can link a comparative reference so it create a thumbnail based on that reference. And then your video will be in the queue being edited. Now, once your video is done, it'll give you a timeline for it and you can download it with the thumbnail it generates for you. Now, here's a breakdown of how this actually turned into real money for me. For example, this channel I started in just 10 days earned me over 1,100, just over 10 videos uploaded, and on pace to do about 3,000 per month, leveraging everything I mentioned to you. This is exactly how I'm building multiple channels right now to over 3, 5, 10,000 a month in profit. And my top students are totally crushing it. For example, Gary having a busy 9 to 5 to getting his channel set up in the first 28 days to averaging his first 1,700 the first month and scaling to 3,000 a month by doing less than a fraction of what he'll do within his 9 to 5.
Hi, this is a quick testimonial of Freud Vixen's YouTube mentoring program. I just want to say that I'm truly grateful for having had the opportunity to work with Freud. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a live update of my channel. You just saw it actually went up to 12,911 views from whatever it was a few seconds ago.
Jeff was looking for a reliable stream of income online, and he ended up growing his channel to $4,000 per month in passive income. The difference between them and everybody else is they have access to this exact AI system. But let me be honest, this isn't a magic button. You still have to put in the work. You still got to post a quality content that people watch. But what used to take months now take hours, and what require expertise, now you just use simple AI tools. What needed thousands and paying team to make it for you, it's all done with a simple push of a button. The question is, are you going to watch YouTube videos about AI replacing job, or are you going to use it to protect yourself and build real wealth? I just showed you exactly how to create and launch a profitable Faceless YouTube channel leveraging AI. You could literally start right now. But if you want to cut shortcut of years of trials and errors and get access to all the software I use and complete system to get one-on-one personal guidance and accountability to hit $10,000 a month or more, I'm inviting you to a 2-hour live masterclass that I'm doing this week. This will be a completely actual live session with me personally, where I'll be mapping out an exact path, show you exactly how to implement everything I just taught you. But here's the thing, I'm only opening up spot to make sure that at the end I can answer everybody's question live. And because you're watching this right now, if the link below is working, we'll still have a few spots open, but they will not last. So click the link below, reserve your seat. The worst case is you join this free live session with me, showing you more in depth how I generate over $4 million from YouTube. And I'm also going to be giving out my top 5 most recommended niches right now, completely for free for just showing up. And the best case is you can get the chance to accept into my one-on-one mentorship. So reserve your seat below and let's build your Faceless business together. Because in 6 months, you're either going to wish you started today or you're going to thank yourself that you did. And if you want to know the exact full step-by-step process on how I went from 0 to over 20,000 a month in profit with these Faceless channel right there, then tap this video right here and I'll see you on the other side.